My name's Liz, and I'm at the Rockville Library. And today, we're going to do a little bit of paleontology. But what is paleontology? Do you know? Paleontology is the study of life that existed in the past, but doesn't exist anymore. Yeah. So what are some examples of what a paleontologist might study? That's not humans. That's a different science. That's archaeology. This is other living things. So maybe a paleontologist would study a plant fossil or teeth, like the shark teeth that you can find on the beach, or tracks, set in stone, made by dinosaurs. Yeah, that's the thing that paleontologists are known to study. Because dinosaurs are pretty cool, right? And today you get to be a paleontologist. How cool is that? Yeah, dinosaurs. So, this is actually a take-and-make kit available at the Rockville Library. This is what it looks like. And it's got all the things you need to excavate, to dig out your own dinosaur. So let's see what's in the kit. All the things that you need. So number one, there's this instruction sheet. That's good, that's good. It'll explain everything that's in this video, but on paper. On the back, it's got the instructions and all the things that you need. Good, good. Next we have, our chunk of stone that has a dinosaur in it. Right now it's wrapped in foil so that it doesn't break. But this is what it looks like when it is unwrapped. Yeah. But we'll keep this one in the foil so someone else can use it. And then what else is in here? We've got 2 picks and a paintbrush. So what do you use picks and a paintbrush for when you're digging out dinosaurs? Like a good paleontologist. Yeah, you have to be very careful around dinosaurs. The bones of dinosaurs are really easy to break. You gotta be really careful. You gotta have small tools, which is good. They're small. You use the pick to break off bigger chunks of stone around your dinosaur. So you go boop, 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 boop. You get bigger chunks. And then you use the paintbrush to gently brush away smaller bits of stone around your dinosaur. Yeah, so that's what those are for. You'll see what I mean later when we actually do the excavation. But things that you will need that are not included in the kit are a tray, because this gets messy. It gets dusty, you get stone bits all over the place. So you need a tray, or maybe a bag or something to hold all the stone in. Yeah. And then you also need a parent, or a guardian, or a caregiver. Yeah, because it gets messy. And also, grown-ups want to excavate dinosaurs too. You should do it together. Okay, you ready to see how it's done? Yeah, let's go. This is our setup. We have the tray, the stone, the paintbrush and the 2 picks. My stone is cracked, but yours shouldn't be. Yours has got the foil too, but you can throw the foil away. Ready to start? Okay. So, we'll start with the pick. The pick has 2 sides. Do you see that? 1 side, 2 sides. I'm going to use this side. You can use whatever side you like. You need to hold your stone and then pick at the edges. Like that. And then you need to take your paintbrush and brush away the little dirt that you have. Okay? Okay. Now go ahead. It might take a while, but you gotta go slowly. Because you gotta be careful about that dinosaur that's in there. All right? Let's go. We have excavated enough to see the dinosaur. Do you see it? It's got its head, its arms, its legs, and a little bit of tail over here. It's upside down. Yeah, there's my dinosaur. So let's keep working. I'm going to hold my stone like this. Then I'm going to very carefully pick at the rocks around my dinosaur. And once I get to my dinosaur, I'm going to very gently brush it away. Okay? Okay. Keep going.
So here are some fun facts about paleontology while you watch me be a paleontologist and excavate the dinosaur. And while maybe you're excavating your dinosaur too. Who knows? So paleontology is the study of life that existed in the past, right? Yeah, I just told you that. And someone who studies paleontology is called a paleontologist. Easy enough. Paleontologists can study all sorts of things, including dinosaurs, but also mammals, sea creatures, plants, and how fossils are formed in general. A lot of the time, paleontologists study creatures that are extinct or died out and don't exist anymore, which can make their task difficult. They study the past by using fossils, which is preserved remains like bones, impressions like tracks, footprints, or any trace from ancient organisms. Fossils can vary in size from small bacteria to dinosaurs and trees, many meters long and weighing many tons. Dinosaurs were really big. Everything was really big back in that day. Once fossils are found, they're studied and dated, usually in a lab. Scientists want to know when the organism of the fossil they found was alive, but this can be tricky. Sometimes fossils can be dated by using radiometric dating on the rocks found next to the fossil, which is very accurate. However, most of the time scientists have to use relative dating, making educated guesses based on the evidence they can find nearby and putting it all together to form a picture, like a jigsaw puzzle. Recently, scientists have also begun to use DNA traces to study organisms and help date them in time. Most of a paleontologist's time is spent in a lab. When they go out to search for more data, that's called field work. Field work involves lots of different tasks, but the most well-known is an excavation, also known as a dig. That's what we're doing. Excavation is a slow and careful process. Excavations start when someone, usually not the paleontologist, stumbles across a fossil by accident, or researchers have reason to believe that a certain location will have fossils. Scientists don't really know what a fossil looks like, what a dinosaur looks like. They know what a fossil looks like. We know from some preserved fragments that some had feathers, but the pictures artists have drawn of dinosaurs are just our best guess based on the fossilized bones paleontologists have found, and could be completely wrong. Look at these pictures. It could be that the Tyrannosaurus rex looks more like a chicken than anything. It could be fluffy and feathery. Or look at these pictures. Isn't that weird? That's a hippo, a zebra, a baboon, and swans drawn like we draw dinosaurs now. Oof, I don't know if I like that very much. So we have to think of different ways to draw them. When you're done excavating, you should go ahead and maybe draw a dinosaur like maybe a bird, or draw a dinosaur with a lot of fluff. All right, those were your dinosaur facts. Keep digging.
That was fun, right? Yeah. We got a little dinosaur. Look at him. Out of our great big stone. Huh. How'd you do on yours? Good? Good. I'm glad. Plus you get a little dinosaur out of it. That's the best part, right? Yeah. You can wash him in some water and soap to get all the stuff out of it, if you want. Or he can just be dusty. All right. Good job. That was fun, huh? Yeah. Be sure to come get a kit from the Rockville Library so that you can do it too. All right. Bye.